Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel DevTurn guys. So guys, as in the previous video, we have discussed about the various operations of the Excel, what are the adjacent cell error in the Excel calculation. I have also told you the sum, minimum, maximum, average count, everything guys I have told you. So now guys, what we will do today, we will learn about a very interesting thing in the Excel which is known as the AutoSum. As I have told you how we can do the sum. So for take an example, let us have a sales report for A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. So now what we will do, we will create the months here. Okay. So suppose in the months we are having month. Okay. So let us create a data here so we can do the operations on it. Okay, and then suppose in the February we have a revenue of okay, and now for the March we have okay. So now what we do, guys? So suppose we have to find the total here. So how can we do total? Either is the thing we can use the sum here. Okay, and select all these, press the enter. We are getting the sum. Okay, and either we can use a property name the auto sum. So how we can use it, guys? So you have to go to this home section. Here you can see there is a auto sum. So now what I have to do, I have to select these and come to home and to the auto sum here. See guys, now this thing is added by themselves. Okay, I don't have to run any formula by using the equal to sign. Okay guys, so this is how the auto sum works in the Excel. And apart from it, I can use here the relative reference. If I extend it here, see guys, now I am getting the sum of them also. Okay, so now if I want to find the total here, I can use the auto sum. Wait a second. Okay, so how I can use it? Yeah, perfect. We just going to go to home and do the auto sum. See, I am getting the 300. Okay, and now if I want the here, I can do this type. Okay guys, so this is how the auto sum work in the Excel guys. And now guys, suppose if I change the value of it, will it reflect my result? See guys, now the result is being affected by it. Okay, so it is running in the real time. So now if I change it to the any alphabet, like suppose I write the def down here. So see guys, now the result are both changed. Okay, this is also changed and this is also changed. Okay, I hope that this thing is very much clear. Let me show you this within one more example. Suppose here we have any random number. Okay guys, so now if I use the auto sum here, wait a second, why it is not shifting? Okay, so go to the home, the auto sum, we are getting the auto sum. Okay, and if I do in this type, so will I get the auto sum of this auto sum? Let me show you. Okay, so now this value is being printed here. Okay, so it will not execute it the further because we have used the auto sum here. If we see the quick analysis here, so use the quick analysis tool to control plus q. Let us see what is the quick analysis. Chromatic charts. Okay, There are like so many things in the Excel and imagine like yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. And suppose now if you want to add this AutoSum in this quick access toolbar, how you can do it? Is AutoSum present here? Let me check. Okay, so now AutoSum is not present here. So let me see where is the AutoSum. AutoSum. There are the formulas. Guys, where is AutoSum? AutoSum should be here. So where is our AutoSum? Let us check it in the home tab. Okay, so in the home tab it should be there. Let us see where is the AutoSum. Yeah, so AutoSum is here, guys. So we can add here and okay. See now AutoSum is present here. Okay, so now if I undo this, okay, and use the AutoSum from the here, see again it is showing me the answer. Okay, so now I have added this AutoSum in my quick access toolbar. Now let me show you one more example by using the AutoSum in the quick access toolbar. Suppose let me create a data here. So suppose we have a marks of student in a class. Suppose student have the 30. Okay, let me correct it. Okay guys, so now if I use the AutoSum here by using it in the quick access toolbar, wait a second. Okay, so as I do AutoSum here, see I am getting the 872 here. Okay, and if I want to see the formula, so it is calculating from A2 to A18. Okay, as you can see, so the cell containing the data lie between the A2 and the A18. So it is showing the data and everything in the correct manner, guys. So you don't have to worry on that part. Now let us use AutoSum with our more data of our previous videos and the topic. Okay, so we have used the count here. Okay, perfect. So now if I want to use the AutoSum here, so the thing is very simple. Just press on the AutoSum. It is showing the sum again the so easy way. Okay guys, so this is how the AutoSum works. And now if I want to see the AutoSum here, I will again select it and the AutoSum, it is showing us the spill. Okay, let us check why it is showing us in this manner. So propagated error, help on this error. Let's take the help of what it is saying. Propagated error is the error value that originated in other cell. Okay, so as we can see here, so in the another cell there is a error. Okay, so let us check. So what is the error? Okay, perfect. We have like difficulty in this criteria. Okay, now if I press the enter, see guys, now our this AutoSum is working here also. Okay guys, I hope that you are getting everything how to use the AutoSum. And guys, I am making very good videos of the Excel in the easy way so everyone could understand what I'm trying to explain you, so there will be no confusion. And guys, if you have not watched my previous video, just like go on our series and watch all the videos. Okay, so everything will be very much clear, guys. And I would like to tell you that the upcoming videos for this data science journey would be a very interesting and the very like most important videos. Okay, so please don't miss any video, otherwise there will be a very huge loss for you guys, and I really don't want any sort of loss of you. Okay, so please watch all the videos till the end. Please don't skip any video, because guys, in the between I tell many things which would be very much helpful in the later on. Okay guys, and please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, okay, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from the dev town. Thank you guys.